Hi friends, welcome. Today's BC Who Will Cry When You Die? Chapter number 8, written by Robin Sharma. Start your day well. The way you begin to your day determines that way you will be live your day. I call the first 30 minutes after you wake up the Platinum 30, since they are truly the most valuable moments of your day and have a profound influence on the quality of every minute that follows. If you have the wisdom and self-discipline to ensure that. During this key period, you think only the purest of thoughts and take only the finest act of actions. You will notice that your days will constantly unfold the most marvelous ways. Recently, I took my two young children to see the thrilling IMAX movie Everest. Aside from the breathtaking imagery and the powerful acts of heroism portrayed, there was one point that stayed with me. In order for the mountain climbers to scale the summit, it was essential for them to have a good base camp. It was impossible for them to get to the top without the camp at the bottom. That offered them a sanctuary for rest, renewal, and replenishing. Once they reached the camp too, they then returned to the base for few weeks to recharge their batteries. On recharging Camp 3, they hastily retreated to base camp to prepare for the trek up Camp 4. And on reaching Camp 4, they again went back down to the mountain to the base camp before making their final push up for the summit. In the same way, I think that every one of us, in order to reach our personal summits and master the daily challenges of our own lives, needs to revisit our base camps during the Platinum 30. We need to go to a place where we can reconnect to our lives and missions, renew ourselves, and refocus on the things that matter most. In my own life, I have developed a very effective morning ritual that constantly gets my day off to joyful and peaceful starts. After waking, I head down to my personal sanctuary, a little space I have created for myself where I can practice my renewal activities without being disturbed. I then spend about 15 minutes in silent contemplation, focusing all the good things in my own life and envisioning the day that I expect is about to unfold. Next, I pick up two books from the wisdom literature, one rich with those timeless truths of successful living that are so easy to forget in these fast-paced times we live in. Examples include Meditation by the Roman philosopher Marcus Aurelius, the autobiography of Benjamin Franklin, and The Walden by Henry David Thoreau. The lessons in these works center me on the things that truly count and help launch my day on the right footing. And the wisdom I read during that precious early morning period infuses and enlightens every remaining minute of my day. To start your day well, you will never be the same. Thank you for watching.